What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. So today I'm just checking the maintenance on the DC4 Integra. Got the sunflower wheels instead of the blades. Just running those for now. So I'm just doing maintenance, checking spark plugs. One of them looks like corroded, I guess. So I'm gonna have to change that after. The engine oil is good. Power steering fluid is good. Clutch fluid, good. Brake fluid, good. The coolant is good. Yeah, I painted this over, which I don't know why I did that. It's all, I gotta switch that out. But I try my best to clean out the inside. So I filled it up with new coolant. Not just for now. This whole thing right here is for now. So later on down the road, it's gonna be more cleaner, more better. Coolant's good. Spark plugs are okay. Engine oil, there's no leaks. No leaks. So what I did was a new oil pan gasket. I do need a new belt. Right there. Focus. Yeah. Oh, right there. This one right here. That one. I mean, I might as well just change both of them. So in the future. And the axles too. So. And now I'm gonna just add water into there. Cause it's real empty. Like instead of the fancy windshield washer fluid, I just put water in there. Obviously it's free. Water and the other fancy windshield washer fluids. That's the the similar thing. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, that's nasty. Alright, yeah, let me clean that up real quick. Alright, after a few minutes just struggling, I managed to take this out, and then just look at that. No wonder it doesn't work. It's all corroded and nasty looking. So I'm gonna just leave this out for now. I'm gonna go ahead and just take these lines out. Like there's no point. So I'm gonna just take it out, tuck those electrical wires. Go ahead and take this out. Yep. So. Alright, so boom. The windshield washer fluid reservoir is out of the car. I managed to tuck in the water lines for now. Let's leave that for now. And then I managed to like zip tie it. Zip tie it with the body itself. I don't know if it focus. As you can see, the zip ties. Zip tie right there, boom. It's for now. It's not permanent. Mind you, this is a B20 swap from CRV. Why B20 it? I don't even know. There's some like wires that's questionable, like this one. That's probably for the cruise control. This, I'm not sure. There's things here and there that's questionable. But at the end of the day, it gets me from point A to point B. Oh, hold on. All right, so a few of you might ask yourself, like, why you're not posting that much? Just taking care of life, family, and work. Just life. Life could be challenging, but anything through God is possible. So never quit on yourself, and just keep pushing forward. And yeah, that will be it for today's video. And have a blessed day. Catch you on the next one. Peace.